I had done with you participle, that too present participle. We did present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. We are going to do an exercise on present participle. Now, when you say, if you remember, I said the present participle, the verb ends in ing, and the action is either going on or incomplete. Then we say it's a present participle. So we are going to do an exercise together. Present participle, the verb ends in ing. Remember, the action is going on or incomplete. Okay. Complete each of the sentences by adding suitable, infinite, infinitive, or present participle of the verbs given in brackets. Look carefully before you complete the sentence. Present participle. A short exercise for us to remember, recapitulate. Am I able to do? Can I remember? That's what we are going to do, okay? Complete each sentence. Complete. Complete each sentence. Complete each sentence by adding suitable infinitive. Suitable infinitive. Or present or present participle. That's what we are going to do now. Okay? Of the verb given in bracket. Okay? Of the verb given in bracket. What is present participle? Present participle, the verb ends in ing, the action either incomplete or is going on. So we are completing the sentence by adding suitable infinitive or participle of the verb given in bracket. Okay? Let's be very, very careful. Now, the first one I have here is dash our parents is our duty. Dash. There is something missing here. Our parents is our duty. Is our duty. And you are given a word in the bracket, and that word says respect. So now, remember the present participle. When you say present participle, the verb ends in ing. So keep on thinking how we are going to do the verb into the sentence to complete. Now, second one is I saw. I saw the storm. The storm. I saw the storm. And there is something missing here. I saw the storm. And we have the word given approach. And the verb given is approach. The third sentence. He refused. He refused. Something missing here. The orders. The orders. And the verb given is obey. Next. Many men desire. Many men desire. And something missing. Money quickly. Money quickly. Let's look at the verb here given. Make. I saw a man. I once saw a man. I once saw a man. On a rope. On a rope. Walk. The word given is walk. Next one. We saw the thief. We saw the thief. Away. We have here the verb given run. We watched the boys. We watched the boys. We watched the boys dash cricket, and the verb is play. Play. We caught her. We caught her. We caught her in the kitchen. In the kitchen. The verb given is smoke. We smelled something. We smelled something. Something dash in the kitchen. And the verb given is burn. 10th one. We listened to the band. We listened to the. We listened to the band. In the courtyard. In the courtyard. And the verb given is play. The verb given is play. Now, I have got 10 sentences and we are supposed to do something. What is that? We are supposed to fill in correctly with the present participle or the infinitive. Infinitive, how it will be? When you put in, you do to. To play, to dance, to. When it is present participle, the other one, the present participle, if the verb ends in ing. The action is going on or incomplete. Let's look at the verb and do it correctly. The first one, dash. Our parents is our duty. So when you add ing to the present participle, respecting, very good. So the first one is respecting our parents is our duty. Okay, respecting. So to the respect we add ing to form the present participle. Respecting. ing. Respecting our parents is our duty. Then, second one, I saw the storm. Very good, approaching. I saw the storm approaching. I saw the storm approaching. Oh, very good. Third, he refused. Dash order. Here it is, the infinitive. He refused to obey the orders. He refused to. We add to for the infinitive. For the present participle, we add ing. He refused to obey the orders. Many men desire dash money quickly. Many men desire to make, infinitive here, okay? Many men desire to make money quickly. Next, I once saw a man dash a rope. Walking, very good. I once saw a man walking. Walking on a rope, very good. Next, we saw the thief. We saw the thief running away, very good. We saw the thief running away. Running away. Here it is, present participle, very good. We watched the boys dash cricket. Again it is present participle. We watched the boys playing. Very good. We watched the boys playing. Playing cricket. Good. Next. We caught her in the kitchen. What was she doing? Smoking. Very good. We caught her smoking. Smoking in the kitchen. Good. Next, we smell something in the kitchen. We have burning. We smell something burning. Burning in the kitchen. We felt something burning in the kitchen. Very good. And finally we have here, the last one is, we listened to the dash in the courtyard. We listened to the band playing. Very good. we listened to the band playing in the courtyard. So, what have we done here? We have done, for each sentence, we added suitable, either infinitive or present participle. If it is infinitive, we add to. If it is present participle, we add ing, because present participle ends in, the verb ends in ing. Either the action is incomplete or action is going on. Respecting our parents is our duty. Respecting. You have to respect. So the respect doesn't stop, it goes on and on. I saw the storm approaching. So action is going on. The storm is approaching. Then he refused to obey. Infinitive, to obey. Many men desire to make money. To make. Again, it is the infinitive. I once saw a man walking on a rope. The walking is going on. Either it is going on. Okay, next. We saw the thief running away. We are looking at the thief running away. Either the action is going on or it's incomplete. We watched the boys playing. The cricket game must be going on. We caught her smoking. Again, this is present participle. We smelled something burning in the kitchen. Present participle. Finally, we listened to the band playing in the courtyard. Present participle. So now, this exercise, we learned to put in, taking the verb from the bracket, putting in correctly, finding whether it is an infinitive or present participle, how to put it. Infinitive, you add to the verb. Present participle ends in ing. It's very simple. If you want, we'll do more exercises for our practice.